Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to Sonic Ideas. First I want to say Happy New Year to you all. Happy New Year 2022. Let's start our new journey with a new day and with a happy smile. So New Year special guys, in this video I am going to make Nightmare Longinus, as you all have voted this Beyblade most in the community post. So the Beyblade will be a burst system Beyblade with the functional destroy driver. But guys, now I know you have a question that bro, how did you cut the parts from the template? So guys, actually I didn't use only one Nightmare Longinus template. I've almost used 3 Nightmare Longinus template. So make the Beyblade, you must need 3 Longinus template. Okay, so now let me explain you why. So from the first Longinus template, I have took this part and the dragon heads, and from the second Nightmare Longinus template, I have took the 2 dragon head parts, which will be as the disc of the bay. Then from the last Longinus template, I just took the main layer, you can see, and I have give a circular cut like that, so that I can put the disc properly into the Beyblade. I hope you all got it. So you must need almost 3 Nightmare Longinus template, otherwise it will be very difficult for you to make the Beyblade. So before starting this video, if you are new in this channel, so please, as a new viewer, please, if you are new, so make sure to subscribe this YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my next video update. So let's get started. So guys, first I am going to work on the first part of the Beyblade, as you can see. So to make it, as you can see, I have cut 3 cardboard templates, samely like the shape of the part. So now you have to do is to stick these 3 cardboard templates on this part with glue properly. So let me show you after doing that. So guys, after sticking, it will look like this, as you can see. So this first part is almost ready. Now as you can see, I have also cut 6 cardboard templates like this one, and I have fully pressed them from this pink color part, you can see, and I think you have already got that. So what you have to do is, you have to stick 1 to 3 cardboard templates on each side. You have to stick 3 cardboard templates on this side and also the other 3 cardboard templates on this side. So just let me show you after doing that. So guys, as you can see, I have sticked the cardboard pieces on both sides like that, and you can see the gap here where I will put the disc, I mean the dragon heads. Now guys, as you can see, I have a burst function system on my hand, and I have made this burst function system with thin cardboard pieces. And if you really want to know how did I make this burst function system, so video link is in the description box and also at the I button. After watching this video, make sure to check it out if you don't know. So now stick it like this way, where I have created the circular mark at the center area with super glue, and this part will be fully ready. So guys, now I am going to make the dragon heads. To make the dragon heads, as you can see, I have cut almost 1, 2, 3, 4 cardboard templates, same like the shape of the dragon heads for each dragon heads. So what you have to do is to stick 1, 2, 3, 4 cardboard templates on this dragon head, like this way at the bottom. Just you have to stick it on the template. Then you also have to do the same process on the other dragon head. So let me show you after doing that. So guys, as you can see, I have made the dragon heads very properly. Now you have to do is to stick these 2 dragon heads on this part where the dragon heads are situated, I mean the images. You just have to stick it like this way with glue or other glue items. So guys, as you can see, I have sticken those 2 dragon heads on the template like that. Now guys, I think you all know that there is a small disc attached at the bottom, I mean the circular disc, the body of the disc. As you can see, I am talking about this part. So this will be the body of the disc, which will be attached at the bottom on the Beyblade. So now what you have to do is to stick these all templates. You have to stick these 4 cardboard templates on this template, on this circular template, okay? You have to stick these 4 templates on this circular template. So guys, as you can see, I have sticken the cardboard pieces together like that. Now you have to stick this cardboard part on this cardboard part straightly like this way with glue. So guys, after sticking, it will look like this. So this part is also ready. So guys, now I am going to make the third part of the Beyblade. So as you can see, I have cut 2 cardboard templates, same like the shape of this cardboard template. Now we have to stick these 2 cardboard pieces on this template with glue, and the part will be ready. So guys, all the parts of Nightmare Longinus is now ready, as you can see in the video. Now it's time to place all the parts together. So first you have to place this part like this way in this part, okay? Then you have to stick the other part on top. You have to stick glue at here and also at here, and then stick it. Don't apply glue on this side, okay? Otherwise, you know, the dragon heads will not move. Okay, so let me show you after doing that. So guys, as you can see, I have placed all the parts together, and if you give a good look, you can see the dragon heads are working. Locked, burst. So the layer is fully ready. Now let's move on the driver. So guys, now I am going to make the last part of the Beyblade, and that is the Destroyer Driver. To make the Destroyer Driver, you need some items. As you can see in the video, first you need almost 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 circular cardboard pieces like that, and they will have small circle cuts, you can see. Then guys, you need another circular cardboard piece like this one. Okay. Then guys, you need a burst function system, and guys, I know many of you thinking that, bro, why did you have taken a long straw on it? So you will gonna see that later. Then guys, you need the most important part of the Beyblade, which will work as the gimmick of the driver, the destroy part, I think, which spin freely. As you can see, I have made this guys with a circular cardboard piece, and I had used a strip like that, and I have cut the strip like this way. Okay, give a good look. I think you can get it. How did I make this? First, I just had cut a strip, and I have cut it like this way. Then I have attached it by like this way. You can see with super glue. Okay, so first you have to do is to stick all these circular cardboard pieces from smaller to larger. And guys, these 3 circular cardboard pieces you are seeing, they will be fully same. Then the other one will be from smaller to larger. So let me show you after doing that. So guys, as you can see, I have taken all the cardboard pieces from smaller to larger. Now you have to do is to stick this burst function system. First you have to enter it like this way through the part. Oh, it's so tight, guys. Yeah, like this way. Then you have to place the part like this way. Then you have to stick this circular cardboard piece on top like that, and you have to add some super glue here so that it will not come out from that much easily. Okay, but make sure that while adding super glue, make sure that the tip is spinning freely like this way. Okay, and then after cut the extra part. So guys, as you can see, I have taken all the parts together, and as you can see, it's spinning freely. The Destroyer Driver is working, and I just really tried to paint the driver with marker, and while painting, just see what happened to my fingers, fully dirty. But the Destroyer Driver is working very well. Now the last and the final work is to stick glue on this side and also on this side, so that I can lock the driver properly into the Beyblade, and the Destroyer Driver will be ready. So guys, Nightmare Longinus is now fully ready, as you can see in the video, and the Bey is a burst system Beyblade with the moving dragon heads and also with the functional Destroy Driver. So now it's time to set up the Beyblade. Let's see how does the Beyblade looks like. And guys, this is my first time I didn't use a bottle cap, because you can see guys, the circle size very small than the bottle cap. That's why I had to make this Destroy Driver with 2 cardboards. Okay, let's see guys how it looks. Oh wow guys, little bit tight, and also you can see it locked very well. Oh, looking very awesome guys. Wow, please give a like for this Beyblade, okay? And like aim is almost 200 likes in this video guys. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh, super aggressive guys. So guys, that's all for the video. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, so please make sure you like this video, and I have told you many times in my other videos, if you are new in this channel, so please make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!
So that you can get more useful videos like this in future. And please guys, complete 200 likes very quick as possible. So that's all for the video guys. Bye.